Welcome to the online classes of Sri Academy. A very pleasant morning to all of you. Students, on Saturday of class 8th I taught chapter 1 means rational number. But today I will going to start our next chapter 2. Chapter name is exponents and powers. So students, without taking too much time, I want to start my chapter. So, all of you prepare for this new chapter and mention each and every important fact into your copy. Okay? So, students, I will I am coming on our topic exercise 2A. Chapter name is exponent and power. So, before starting this chapter, I want to clarify and I want to tell you some important rules of exponents. Means you tell it the laws of exponent, because it is very important. It is very important rules to make a exponent. First rule is multiplication rule. In multiplication rule की a power x multiple a power y, तो answer will be a power x plus y. Means if the base is equal and power is different, then what is the answer? On the base of same, you add its power. Next is that के division rule. A power x divided by a power y, so answer will be a power x minus y. Okay, means if the base is equal and power is different and it is in the divide form, so you write base and on the power you subtract it. Okay, next is that कि power of a power means power के ऊपर power का क्या रूल होता है. Suppose that a power x power y, तो what is the answer? तो a power x multiple y. Okay, या a power x y, you multiply both power. Okay, next is that कि power of a product rule. a b power x means what is the answer? तो a power x and b power x, power is distributed into two term both. Next is that की power of a fraction rule. a by b power x, what is the answer? So you distribute this power into numerator and denominator both. a power x by b power x. Zero exponent a power 0, तो आंसर विल बी 1. मीन्स अगर किसी भी बेस का पावर 0 हो तो उसका आंसर हमेशा 1 आता है. नेक्स्ट इज निगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट a power minus x, you will convert into the positive exponent to 1 by a power x, means 1 by a power x. अगर आप इसको फ्रैक्शन में बना के डिनोमिनेटर बना देते हो तो इसका पावर प्लस में हो जाएगी. नेक्स्ट है कि फ्रैक्शनल एक्सपोनेंट ए पावर एक्स बाय वाई, तो व्हाट इज द आंसर? तो एट फर्स्ट वाई स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स ए वाई स्क्वायर रूट ए पावर एक्स. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो आई वांट टू स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज. लेट्स कम. Question 1 is that कि evaluate 4 power minus 3. Second question 1 by 2 power minus 5. Third is 4 by 3 power minus 3. Fourth is minus 3 power minus 4. Fifth is minus 2 by 3 power minus 5. This is the question sheet, okay? And in the next sheet, I will tell you about answer. But you think, what is the answer? Because before some time, I clarify about the laws of exponent. मैंने बताया था आपको laws of exponent, तो आप इसका आंसर गेस करो क्या होगा. बट आई विल टेल यू कि व्हाट इज द आंसर. Suppose that first question is that 4 power minus 3. At first you see its power. Its power is into the means its power into the negative number. Okay, minus 3. So at first you convert into the positive. Okay, how will you do? So I will tell you कि a power minus b. So what is the answer? 1 by a power b. Its answer. So 1 by 4 power 3. After that you find answer 1 by 4 multiple 1 by 4 multiple 1 by 4. What is the answer? 1 1 ja 1 1 ja 1 by 4 4 ja 16 4 ja 64. Its answer. Second is that 1 by 2 power minus 5. So at first you convert it into the plus exponent, means positive exponent. 2 power 5. Okay, answer 2 multiple 2 multiple 2 multiple 2. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32, means your answer is 32. Next is that 4 by 3 power minus 3. So you convert it, means you make numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. Okay, 3 by 4 power 3 means exponent is in the positive form. Answer 3 by 4 multiple 3 by 4 multiple 3 by 4 equal to 3 3 ja 9 3 ja 27 4 4 ja 16 4 ja 64. It is the answer. Okay, and next is in homework. Question number 2. Evaluate 5 by 3 power 2 multiple 5 by 3 power 2. 5 by 6 power 6 multiple 5 by 6 power minus 4. तो you see question. After that I want to tell you answer. Answer बताना चाहता हूँ कि before some time I tell you about the laws of exponent. Exponent का मैंने rules बताया था. तो in these rules you find आप पाए थे क्या पाए थे कि if the base is equal and power is different and it is in the multiplication form, you will add this power on same base. Okay, so 5 by 3 power 2 plus 2 means 5 by 3 power 4. After that you find its answer 5 by 3 multiple 5 by 3 multiple 5 by 3 multiple 5 by 3. Your answer will be 5 5 ja 25 5 ja 125 5 ja 625 by 3 3 ja 9 3 ja 27 3 ja 81, means your answer is 625 by 81. Is that clear? Next is in same form. Okay, so you will solve it into your fair copy as in homework. Third question is that evaluate, means 5 by 9 power minus 2 multiple 3 by 5 power minus 3 multiple 3 by 5 power 0. And second question, minus 3 by 5 power minus 4 multiple minus 2 by 5 power 2. This is the question sheet, and in next sheet I will tell you answer. So answer 5 by 9 multiple 3 by 5 power minus 3 multiple 3 by 5 power 0. तो 5 by 9 power minus 2. तो at first you convert it into the positive exponent, means you will convert denominator to numerator and numerator to denominator, means 9 by 5 power 2. Is that clear? After that 3 by 5 minus 3. So you do same, means 5 by 3 power 3 multiple 3 by 5 power 0. So before some time I told you कि if any base on the power 0, तो answer will 1. Okay, तो 3 by 5 power 0, what is the answer? तो 1. Okay, After that you write into the expanded form 9 by 5 multiple 9 by 5 multiple 5 by 3 multiple 5 by 3 multiple 5 by 3 multiple 1. After that you multiply it 9 9 ja 81 by 5 5 ja 25 multiple 5 5 ja 25 5 ja 125 by 3 3 ja 9 3 ja 27. Okay, after that you class it ki 25 5 ja 125 and 27 3 ja 81. Okay, 3 5 ja 15 is your answer. Next is in homework. Okay student, next question 4, evaluate square brackets and after that press minus 2 by 3 power 2 का power minus 2. तो बिफोर सम टाइम आई विल टेल यू कि व्हाट इज द आंसर इफ पावर टू द पावर के ऊपर का पावर क्या होता है. तो -2/3 पावर 2 मल्टीपल -2, बिकॉज इफ किसी पावर के ऊपर पावर होता है तो इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लाई किया जाता है. ओके, तो 2 मल्टीपल -2, तो 2 2 जा 4 -4. आफ्टर दैट यू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू द positive exponent. Okay, in positive exponent -3/2 power 4. After that you write into the defined form, means -3 multiple -3 multiple -3 multiple -3 by 2 multiple 2 multiple 2 multiple 2. After that 3 3 ja 9 3 ja 27 3 ja 81 by 2 2 ja 6 4 2 ja 8 2 ja 16 is your answer. Okay, next is in homework. Next question, evaluate. You see question here कि 1/3 power -3 minus 1/2 power -3 divided by 1/4 power -3. So at first you write into the positive exponent 3 power 3 minus 2 power 3. Okay, divided by 4 power 3. After that 3 3 ja 9 3 ja 27 minus 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8. ठीक, divided by 4 4 ja 16 4 ja 64. After that your answer is 27 minus 8 19 by 64. Is that clear beta? Next question, question number 6, evaluate 4/3 power -1 minus 1/4 power -1 का -1. How will you solve it? तो 4/3 power -1. Okay, फिर minus 1/4 power -1 का -1. After that you will convert it into the positive exponent 3/4 power 1 minus 4/1 power 1. Okay, after that 3/4 power and power 1 will be continue. Okay, then 3/4 power 1 minus 4/1 power 1 का power 1. After that 3/4 minus 4/1, you take the LCM of 4 and 1. LCM of 4 and 1 equal to 4. 4 1 ja 4 1 3 ja 3 minus 1 4 ja 4 4 4 ja 16 power -1. After that your answer will be 16 minus 3 equal to -13 by 4 power -1. After that you convert into the positive exponent, means answer is -4/13. Is that clear? Next question, question number 7. In square brackets and small brackets 5 power -1 multiple 3 power -1 का power -1 divided by 6 power -1. So at first you convert it into the positive exponent to 1/5 multiple 1/3 का power -1 divided by 1/6. Okay, 1 1 ja 1 5 3 ja 15 power -1 divided by 1/6. After that you convert it into the positive exponent to 15/1 or 15 only 15 divided by 1/6. After that 6 you change it into the multiply form from division form में डिवीजन से मल्टीप्लाई में बदलिए. तो डिवीजन से मल्टीप्लाई में बदलने के लिए क्या हो जाता है, न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर हो जाती है, डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर बन जाती है. तो 15 × 6 = 90. ओके, इट्स आंसर. Thank you student and have a very wonderful day, and next day you will complete it into your fair copy, because I will check each and every copy individually. Thank you and have a wonderful day.